twice as fun and exciting in today's special episode. Introducing my first guest, a self-motivated communications expert, founder of various community groups, annual workshops and conferences. Her greatest strength is conceptualizing and organizing social community events, ensuring to have a positive impact on the audience. She loves doing events with a purpose, leaving the audience inspired, empowered and engaged. Joining her is my second guest, who is a social media influencer, a cause activist and a brand ambassador of change in the world. I'm truly excited to introduce and welcome my guest, the founder of Doha Women's Forum, Ms. Conchita Ponce, and larger-than-life Mega Cervantes. The two of you equally share a responsibility of community leadership and change in Qatar, and I'm sure that it reflects with your work back in Philippines as well. I wanted to ask you, where did it all start?
It actually started as a sideline. As you know, I'm into events management. So while I was working as a marketing and communications officer in one of the leading retail clothing brand in the Philippines, I experienced this unexplainable feeling of joy, happiness, thrill, all this feeling rolled into one while I was doing the events. So I was kind of fell in love with it, especially with the stress that comes along with it. So while I was working full-time, I started to be doing events on a small scale basis, and I really love the idea of doing the events.
For me, I believe I was raised well by my parents, and I have a very supportive family. And also, I believe that in everyone's heart, there's always a good in it. So for us, we just need to nurture it, and we need to find what's the good for us.
Ms. Ponce, Doha Women's Forum. Talk to us about the idea and the conception behind it.
It started actually in 2015. It's a small gathering of women, talking about how one can be an agent of change. To be honest, I stopped it for 2 years for some reasons. So it was only when my mother died in 2017 that I want to do an event in honor of her. It was also during the time when my friend told me, why don't you revive the Doha Women Forum? And then I told myself, okay, yeah, why not? So early part of 2018, I started, to do the preparations, the conceptualization, the theme, speaking to the sponsors, speakers. So from there, yes, that's right.
Coming to you, Mega, does social media help bringing about a change or help in shaping a revolution?
I strongly agree with you. As you all know today, there's like Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. They have TikTok also. But basically, those two they are like primary sources of information. But we need to be very careful and to be warm as well, because they are also a platform for fake news and disinformation, right? And regarding with the revolution, so even the young ones, they know everything about the social media, and some people, they don't care what they are reading, whether it's coming from a legit website or whatever. But for me and myself, to be honest, I never share any negative thoughts or negative information in my social media, because I don't find it helpful, especially in this current situation. I think we need to be more positive, or to always look for the brighter side of what's going on around.
Share the good vibes only.
Yeah, exactly. And sharing good vibe and positivity, that's very important.
Does the current scenario of the coronavirus or the COVID-19 bring about a positive change in the society?
Yes, so we must admit that this pandemic COVID-19 is considered as the crucial global health calamity, and we're facing, this is a big challenge for all of us now in this generation. So the positive side is I see the people, they're becoming more aware now of what they're doing. They're showing more sympathy with our environment, and they're becoming more,
Conscious.
discovering, conscious their talents. I see a lot of posts in the social media.
If we change our perspective into something positive, if we replace fear to faith, we'll realize that it has more positive outcomes than the negative ones.
One word that describes you best.
Determined.
Mega. Simply mega.
Your spirit animal.
Spirit animal. Horse.
Horse.
Yes.
Unicorn. Oh.
Drive to the mountain or a walk at the beach.
Walk at the beach. I love beach. I love
You love
water.
beach.
Yeah, I love
Drive to the mountain.
Your comfort food.
Anything and everything. It's my comfort food.
everything. I love to eat.
We love to eat.
Yeah.
Your favorite vacation destination.
Turkey. I love Turkey.
You like
Istanbul.
Turkey?
Yeah.
Italy.
Basketball or karaoke.
Oh, karaoke. Yes. Although I don't have a good voice. Yes, sample later. Yeah.
Karaoke.
Of course, not basketball.
Not
Okay.
basketball. My God.
Your guilty pleasure.
Guilty pleasures. Chocolates, desserts, anything to do with the food.
Sweet.
Yeah.
I think chocolate also. Yeah.
Chocolate.
Yeah. Dark chocolate.
Your greatest fear.
Cockroaches, bed bugs.
And heights. Yeah, I'm afraid of
Okay.
heights. Yeah.
If you were to wake up as any person in the world, who would it be and why?
Myself, still myself.
I will always pray to Him to give my life all over and over again to be me. Oh my God, it will add again.
Sponsored by Lone Star, a leading FMCG company, and Simit Sirai.
Oh, yes.
Oh,
yes.
thank you, Lone
Thank you
Star.
so much, Lone
Nice to
Star.
see
you.
Thank you
Lone
so
Star,
much, 1FM.
For the two of you, Ms. Ponce, what is the roadmap of Doha Women's Forum? And Mega, I would like to ask you, how high can we see you soar in the coming years?
It's an appetite to crave for, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, each year, we are getting better and more exciting, more attendees, more remarkable women who've been participating. So had this not pandemic happened, it could have been more, grand, yes, grandeur, exactly. But stay tuned for the next event. Yeah, because there's so many partners who's like tying up with us. So
As high as where my God would leads me, that's very important for me. And for sure, a lot of people here in this room, like we're doing something with passion. Of course, we will do, and we can go even the distance and just to be succeeded.
So that was Ms. Conchita Ponce and Mega Cervantes for you. And for all you Dhadkans, keep listening and stay tuned to 89.61 FM, Qatar Ki Dhadkan.
keep listening to 1FM 89.6 Qatar Ki.com.